You guys got a little snow in your eye now. Nope, camera's all fogged up. I think I got water in the lens now. Yeah, you guys can still see the tree over here. Well, might have to just go put you guys inside and let you guys dry out, because I think there's water inside your guys' lens now. Well, I think that's gonna be the best bet. Take you guys inside and let you dry out, and then I'll play around some more. Oh well. I think I got you guys back kinda. I plowed the whole driveway while I let the camera dry out. Or at least back here anyhow. I can still see there's something down here in the bottom corner. Some water or something. So, I don't know, put you guys in my coat pocket here, let you warm up and dry out some more and see what happens. Well, actually I can see the big spot right there. Now, is it on the inside or the outside? Good question. Why? Only one spot? I don't know. Hold on. Yeah, it's on the inside, guys, so I'm sorry. You guys are going to have to live in my coat pocket for a little bit. It'll be warm in there. You guys look pretty good now, but I'm done plowing, and I'm going back inside. Oh. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Trust me, I didn't want to drop you guys in the snow, but it happened. That branch with the tripod knocked you guys down, so. Yeah. As I plow a little bit out back, you guys won't see any deep snow action. And it's just not too much for the 408, so. Maybe I'll let you guys stay on here and I'll go bust through the snow pile and go around this side of the house. I gotta go back out and get my tripod and shut the door anyhow. I got the blade down just a hair, not a whole lot. I got this so I can go straight around here now and not get stuck like an idiot. Like I said, it works pretty good. Alright, my hand's freezing. I'm gonna put this back away in the barn and let it melt out. So, later guys. Got the 818 out here for a bit. Tell you what, this stuff's getting hard to push even for the 818. It's like a track it down and it's packed kind of snow. You drive over it once and you're done. Ground's not frozen or anything, so. I'm gonna go in. My fingers are cold. And go and edit some videos and watch some YouTube videos. It's Friday, whatever the heck the date is. Hold on. The 7th. February the 7th. So, later guys.